Hi, I'm Seth. Every day of the Omer, I'll be doing something new, all from my New York City apartment. Each week has a different theme. We'll also be learning about why the Omer is such an amazing time. Counting is a mitzvah, as we get ready to celebrate receiving the Torah on Shavuot. Hopefully, this will show you that you can try new things during these tough times and learn a few things on the way. Every day, from Passover to Shavuot. 7 weeks, 49 days. Let's #Omer grow together. Day 16 yesterday was about finding beauty inside the house. I took some time to reminisce about the pictures around my apartment. Everything has a deep meaning, and that is beautiful. Today, day 17, I took some time to write. Using time to reflect through writing is a needed way to release nowadays. It's a creative outlet that I look forward to exploring more. What are you finding beauty in today? Now, let's count the Omer.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al tzvirat ha'omer. Hayom 18 yom shehem shnei Shavuot ve'arba'a yamim la'omer. Tonight begins the 18th day, which is 2 weeks and 4 days of the Omer.